Your Excellency, I have the honor to present letter of credence which the President of the Republic of Serbia, His Excellency Mr. Nikolic, has addressed to Your Excellency, accrediting me as Ambassador of the Republic of Serbia to the Republic of Fiji.
Your Excellency, I am very pleased to receive your credentials as the first ambassador of the Republic of Serbia to the Republic of Fiji. I welcome you most warmly to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a very happy and successful mission. Please convey to His Excellency the President, the government and the people of the Republic of Serbia our warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace and prosperity. Ambassador, welcome and congratulations. Good to see you. Good to see you. Take a photograph. I believe you've got a good wife. Good. My wife's right there. The ambassador. Ma'am, how are you? Oh, Bula. Welcome to Fiji, ma'am. Right there, Chris? Thank you. Well, once again.